You're a single guy, single gal, you're married with kids, don't have kids, you have occasional grandkids that may come with you, I'm going to show you why this particular floor plan may be the perfect floor plan to accommodate whoever you want to bring with you without disturbing the flow of your floor plan. This 2019 Integra 30X Esteem on a 450 Super Duty 6.8 V10. Here's a few things you probably didn't know. One of the benefits about the full body paint, outside of the obvious, which is the aesthetic, is going to be the sustainability of the actual paint, right? So this is automotive paint. So if you get like a little scratch on it, it's easily polished. But more importantly, you don't have to worry about your decals fading after years of the sun beating on it, which kills your visual appeal. Speaking of sustainability, this is a full one-piece fiberglass roof, so virtually no maintenance required. Obviously, keep it clean, get up there every now and then and check the seals around your AC. But if you want a 10-year, 20-year investment, this is where you want to be. But let's say you got a hankering for Chick-fil-A. You're not going to pull this massive 30-footer into that little drive-thru, are you? No worries, I have a solution. This guy down yonder is good for 7,500 pounds of tow capacity. So give you some scale on that, that safely pulls a Chevy Tahoe. Now, if you are a savvy RVer, you know the extreme importance and convenience of having all of your hookups on one side. This is only going to be valuable to you if you're actually using it, but that is a 30,000 BTU furnace as opposed to the standard 20. If you're outside watching TV and you're watching a show about meerkats, which is full of drama, by the way, technically you're in nature watching TV about nature. Just like people, the inside matters more than the outside. Now, before we discuss the flow of energy, I would like to discuss how this RV utilizes energy itself. This power control system or energy management system only really does one important thing. It takes energy from one source, lends it to another source until that source is done with it, and then it gives it back to the original source. What do you mean? This thing has two ACs, a TV, go figure, a microwave, a big refrigerator, a lot of things pulling energy at one time, and something has to manage that energy to keep a circuit from breaking, and you're not going to do it, sir. You're not going to tell your wife, hey lady, don't plug in the hairdryer, we got to turn off the AC first, right? So the management system is going to do it for you. If the wife does plug in a hairdryer for that beautiful hair of hers, it's going to borrow some energy from this guy, give it to the hairdryer. When she's done with the hairdryer, it's going to give it back like it never happened. Let's face it, we'll let some light in here real quick. If you get a C-Class like this, you put it on Facebook, people come out of the woodworks, right? The kids, the grandkids, people you haven't seen or spoken to in like 10 years, right? The one ex you can't get rid of. You know what, girl, I had a dream about you. I saw your mama at the grocery store. It happens, right? In that case, you're going to need a place for them to sleep. This guy in your seamless fiberglass cap can hold 750 poundage of human being flesh. Say you are going to bring the kids or grandkids, but you have wine, you have cash, you have a firearm, you have a brick of cocaine. No worries, Bobby Brown. I got you. Eat. Yeah, suspicious. Rated dealer location in Houston. I know what you're thinking, Timmy, how do you become the highest rated dealer location and you sell RVs that eventually break down? Well, very, very simple. We love what we do. We love the people we do it for, and they tend to love camping. Kind of all works out. And as always, I'll see you.